Hi friends, today I am showing how to make apple juice with vanilla flavor. So ingredients are needed: one number of apple. I chop this apple. Then after needed sugar, 1 tablespoon sugar. Then after needed rock salt. You also used normal salt. Then after needed vanilla flavor. This is the vanilla flavor. And after needed 1 glass of water, 1 glass of cold water. These are the 5 ingredients of apple juice with vanilla flavor. So let's see the next step. Friends, I take a bowl and then after added chopped apple, fresh apple. Then after added sugar, 1 tablespoon sugar. Then after added rock salt to taste. You also add normal salt, plain salt. Then after added 1 cup of cold water. And next added few drops vanilla essence. See friends, now this apple pastel properly. See friends, this apple vanilla flavor apple juice is now ready and pastel properly. And now this apple juice strain. Now next step I will show this apple juice strain well properly. See friends, I take a strainer and see friends, I take a bowl, and now this apple juice is now strained well properly. See friends, this is the apple wastage things, and this is the beautiful colored juice, and this apple wastage things do not throw in garbage. Please apply on your skin these apple wastage things, because these apple wastage these things very helpful for our skin. See friends, strain well properly, and this apple juice is now ready, and this apple juice is now ready for serve. Our apple juice with vanilla flavor is now ready and beautiful color. This apple juice, this type of apple juice is now I make very easily. So please try at your home. If you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.